Hello everyone, this is Amritpal Singh. Welcome to the next video of this SQL series. In this video, I'll be talking about the fourth constraint that we got, which is called foreign key. In my previous video, I've talked about primary key. In this video, I'll be talking about foreign key, and these two keys, these two constraints are quite related to each other, right? So let's get started. So what is the meaning of foreign key? First of all, the foreign key is nothing. It's we can declare like it is a field in a table that refers to a primary key in another table, or we can say the table with the foreign key is called as a child table and table with the primary key is called as a referenced or a parent table. Meaning is whatever the values you have in your primary key, you are only allowed to use those values in the other table, not other values. Let's suppose if you have 1, 2, 3 values inserted in the primary key column, you are not allowed to use 4 over there, right? Because only 1, 2, 3 is the value which you can refer to the another table. Let's see this in action, right? Let's create two tables. Create table. My table name is, let's suppose it is R1, and I am using a single column here which is of primary key nature. It means it cannot entertain the null values and duplicate entries. Let's run this R1. Okay, created. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be inserting some data to it. Insert into R1 values. Okay, I'm inserting 3 values here. One is 1, 2, 3, right? So let me run. Inserted, 2 inserted, 3 inserted, right? Now let's see what we have got in this tables. Let's start from R1. We got here 3 values, which is 1, 2, 3. You can see ID 1, 2, 3, right? Now let's create another table. Okay, here let's create another table in which I'll be using this ID column as a foreign key. Create table R2, okay, in which I'm using ID integer. Okay, then I can now make use of this as a foreign key. So how we can make use of as a foreign key? Quite simple. Use foreign key space ID, okay, which is references space R1's ID here. Okay, so let's run this command, and I got my R2 created. Now whatever I said earlier, that I can only insert those values which are available in the master table, in my primary key table. Insert into R2 values, I can insert 3, there will be no problem, right? You can see the 3 can be easily be inserted, no problem whatsoever. But now if I am going here with the 7, let's suppose 7 is not available in my primary key, right? So it will be generating the error. You can see integrity constraint violated, parent key not found, right? This is the point. Next point is, if you let's suppose forgot to add primary key foreign key earlier, you can also allow to add this constraint with the help of alter. The way we have used alter command in the previous video while creating primary key, we can also do it here also. Let's see, create table R3, let's suppose R3 and ID integer. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, afterwards I want to alter this table. Alter table R3. Okay, alter table R3, add constraint, okay, space constraint name, let's suppose FK, right? Then specify here the foreign key which is ID, which is referencing references, right? References space R1's ID. Okay, this is a point. Yeah, we are done. Let's see if it's running properly. Yes, table altered. All right. It means this is another way we can also add the foreign key constraint. Let's see how we can drop it. Alter table name R3, drop constraint name. Constraint name is FK, right? So let's see if we can able to drop this with the help of this alter command. Yes, table altered, it means it's got dropped successfully. So this marks the end of this video in which I've tried to explain the concepts of foreign key, which is nothing but the nothing but the referencing the primary key, right? So we got master child relationship available, in which the parent or master have some values or data available, and you are only allowed to use that data only, not other than that. If you try to violate, if you try to go against it, there will be an error which will be thrown over there in the screen, right? So I hope you must have understood from this video. For rest of the contents, I'm coming with the more videos in the near future. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.